Do you have a pair of old but nice sounding headphones, but lately the sound has gotten worse, and you can hear distortion and crackling noises whenever the music hits those bass frequencies? In most cases, this buzzing noise is caused by dirt, debris, or hairs. When the speaker diaphragm moves on a bass hit, it strikes against this debris or hair, which creates that distortion or crackling noise. The good news is, this is an easy fix. Just remove the headphone earpod, the foam filter, and the fabric filter if your headphones have them. Once they are off, you will already be able to see if there is any dirt or hair near the speaker diaphragm. Next, unscrew the side that is making that distorted noise. Remove the air cup and take out the speaker driver so you can clean it. This speaker is held in place with glue in several spots and a few plastic hooks. Carefully try to pry off the glue and hooks to remove the speaker driver, but do this with extra care because the speaker driver can easily break. It's very important not to touch the area on the driver where the voice coil wires are. You can also use a hair dryer to melt the glue, but this is a tricky method because using hot air for too long can damage the speaker. And here is my speaker. As you can see, there are so many hairs here that I could make a new wig for my grandma. Crazy, it's no surprise that this speaker was making a distorted sound. Next, pick out all the hairs you can with your fingers, but remember, do not touch the speaker diaphragm itself. I found that the best tool for this is a lens cleaning air blower. If your speaker is very dirty and there is stuck on grime, try to remove it with a soft toothbrush. Just don't forget to put your grandma's toothbrush back when you're done. Clean the ear cup housing as well. The last step is to insert the driver back the exact same way and reassemble the headphones. Whenever you are working with screws close to the speaker, remember that the speaker uses a magnet. It can pull the screws right inside and break the driver, so just be careful. Then clean the other speaker driver the exact same way. Most of the time, if one side is dirty, the other side will be just as dirty. As I mentioned, if you aren't careful, you could be unlucky and break the speaker driver. Therefore, always make sure you're confident that fixing the distortion noise is worth the risk. If the speaker driver gets damaged during this cleaning process, you will lose your headphone sound completely, and it will cost you money to get them working again. But I got some good karma points. My headphones have their brand new sound back, and they will keep making me happy for years to come.